In this video, we're diving into the future of window cleaning with the best robotic window cleaners of 2024. Say goodbye to tedious hand cleaning and hello to high-tech solutions that make your windows sparkle without the hassle. Let's check out the top picks that are changing the game. ECOVACS Winbot W2. Leading the charge is the ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni, the ultimate in smart window cleaning. It comes with an all-in-one cleaning station that handles everything from charging to storing the robot. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it can clean windows in areas without outlets for up to 110 minutes, covering 55 square meters in one go. With sensors that navigate around obstacles and ensure edge cleaning, this robot makes window washing effortless. Its upgraded 3-nozzle, wide-angle spray atomization technology blasts away stubborn dirt with 5,500 pascals of suction power, leaving your windows spotless with 30% more efficiency. For those who demand precision and convenience, the Winbot W2 Omni is a top contender. Tosima W2. Next, we have the Tosima W2, designed for seamless, intelligent cleaning. With its AI 3.0 path planning, this robot detects and maps out the most efficient cleaning route, ensuring a thorough and streak-free result every time. It's powered by a 3,800 pascal suction motor, which provides enough grip to clean both vertical windows and glass surfaces, like doors and mirrors. Whether it's a quick touch-up or a deep clean, the Tosima's multiple cleaning modes let you choose the perfect setting for your windows. Safety is a priority too, with anti-fall sensors and secure attachment to keep it safely in place. And when it's done, just remove the microfiber pads, give them a wash, and your robot is ready for the next round. Its sleek, modern design and slim profile mean it can fit into tight spaces, so no edge is left untouched. For anyone looking for a smart, powerful, and easy-to-use window cleaning solution, the Tosima W2 is a must-have. CHOVERY. Let's take a look at another excellent window cleaning robot for 2024. The CHOVERY window cleaner robot. If you're tired of risking your life cleaning high-rise windows, this 5,600 pascal strong suction machine is the answer. It's equipped with a double spiral cleaning head that tackles glass surfaces, making it perfect for not just windows, but also tiles and glass doors. What really stands out is how quickly it works. 1 square meter cleaned in just 4 minutes, ideal for larger windows. With 3 automatic cleaning modes and manual control via remote, you have full flexibility. Before starting, you can use the dry fiber mat to dust off your window, then switch to the clean, damp mat for a sparkling finish. No streaks left behind. The 5,600 pascal suction ensures it sticks securely to your window. But note, it needs to stay connected to power for maximum effectiveness. Plus, with a backup battery providing 20 minutes of power in case of outages and a high-strength safety rope, this robot is built with multiple safety features. The AI technology V2.0 calculates the most efficient route, leaving your windows spotless without worry. HUTT W8. Let's dive into one of the latest and most innovative window cleaning robots for 2024, the HUTT W8 window cleaner robot. Designed to make your life easier, this little powerhouse boasts 3,800 pascals of suction power, ensuring a firm grip while efficiently cleaning windows, glass, and even marble walls. Thanks to the HUTT Think AI algorithm, it automatically adjusts its suction between 1,800 pascals and 3,800 pascals based on the amount of dirt it detects, delivering optimal cleaning without scratching. What sets the HUTT W8 apart is its dual spray system with an integrated 80 milliliter water tank. This allows it to spray water evenly over a wide area, offering a superior wet wiping experience, perfect for removing stubborn spots. The AI navigation system selects between S-shaped or N-shaped cleaning paths for thorough cleaning, and it even offers a spot wiping mode for areas that need extra attention. Equipped with laser edge detection technology, this robot seamlessly avoids obstacles and ensures no accidental falls, even on the trickiest surfaces. Plus, its one-key easy operation and voice prompts make it super user-friendly, so anyone can get spotless windows with minimal effort. Whether you have smooth vertical surfaces, large windows, or glass doors, the HUTT W8 is a must-have for hassle-free cleaning. FMART T9 Pro. Let's kick off by checking out the FMART T9 Pro window cleaning robot, a game-changer in the world of window cleaning tech for 2024. Boasting 3,800 pascals suction power, this smart device dynamically adjusts its suction based on the dirt level on your windows, ensuring a deep, efficient clean without lifting a finger. This window cleaner is designed to make life easier, safer, and less time-consuming. What makes the T9 Pro stand out is its ultrasonic atomization spraying technology, which mimics human breath by spraying an ultrafine mist that effectively dissolves grime and reduces streaks. A single refill can clean up to 270 square feet, ensuring even large surfaces are spotless. For added peace of mind, it comes with a safety anti-fall system featuring an embedded UPS that keeps it running for 30 minutes, even during a power outage. With 3 cleaning modes, automatic, deep, and manual, this robot adapts to your specific needs, returning to its starting point when finished. Its AI intelligent edge detection is perfect for both framed and frameless glass, making it an ideal solution for hard-to-reach windows. Just charge it up, and you're ready to let this intelligent robot handle the dirty work. That's a wrap on the best robotic window cleaners of 2024. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.